Struggling with IPconfig/renew not working in Windows 11? In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through 2 effective fixes to restore your network connection. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Close Command Prompt and restart your computer. If issues persist, open the search menu again, type Network Reset and select it. Click Reset Now to reset all network adapters and settings, and confirm by selecting Yes. Restart your computer to complete the reset. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.